to our 14th annual Outlook presentation. We're on pace to have record numbers today. It still may be the case even with this weather, so I'd like to thank all of you for joining us tonight. We appreciate that. My name is Scott Mazi. I'm Executive Vice President, Portfolio and Relationship Management for Baskin Wealth. My job tonight is I will be teeing up the presentation for you and providing a quick update on events at Baskin. It's been an interesting year, no doubt, in the markets. Between the tweets, the tariffs, the trade wars, and fears of recession, there's been a lot of noise to deal with. Tonight, we're going to cut through that noise, and we're going to focus on a topic that impacts investors and their portfolios now and in the long term. The low interest rate revolution. David will cover why interest rates are so low and what it means to live and invest in this environment. Barry will be covering our approach to buying equities in a low interest rate environment and also be looking at our major investment themes. But before I turn it over to David, I'm going to touch on some updates and what's been happening at Baskin. As you can see here, we continue to experience very strong growth. As at the end of September of this year, we were managing just under $1.3 billion of client assets, which is more than 3 times the size we were just 9 years ago. We invest these assets for about 800 families, and each one of these families matter to us. Therefore, we consistently try to provide a high level and superior client service experience for every relationship. Our growth is due to our performance, of course, but also new business. Our primary source of new business has always been client referrals. With that in mind, we've included a referral insert with your booklet today. We appreciate the confidence that you have in us, and we look forward to your continued support. To keep pace with this growth, we continue to invest in our business. Over the last year, we've strengthened our team by adding 4 new members, 2 of which were portfolio managers. Mickey Nakmani is Vice President and driving our business development. Asita Selfo is a Vice President and focusing on portfolio and relationship management. We've also added to our trading team. Ryan Thomas is working alongside Gord Thomas, no relation, who is our head trader. We've also hired Jen Dahill as our new Director of Compliance. Rounding out the investment team, we have Ernest Wong, who is recently registered as a portfolio manager, Benjamin Klein, who is a portfolio manager and our in-house certified financial planner, and Rob McDonald, who is our CCO, or Chief Compliance Officer, Chief Operating Officer, and is also a partner at Baskin Wealth. Next, I'm pleased to tell you about the new fixed income pool. We're launching this in early 2020. Currently, we're managing in excess of $200 million of fixed income assets, and this pool will provide our clients with better pricing and greater diversification. So stay tuned. You'll be receiving an informational piece before the end of the year that will provide all the details on this new product. Finally, I wanted to end with a reminder. As at last year's Outlook, we announced that we now are performing financial planning services for our clients. This is headed up by our in-house financial planner, Ben Klein. Many of you have taken advantage of this, and the results have been quite successful so far. If you are interested in this, please speak with your portfolio manager at your next annual review, or give us a call, and we can arrange a time for you to sit with Ben. And that's it for me, so I thank you for coming this evening, and I wish to introduce my partner, David.